Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have two different job updates for today. So the first company for today it is Netomi and the second one is Heizen. So we shall see the job details, selection process, how to apply everything. So the first company for today it is Netomi. So the job role they are hiring it is for software development engineer 1 and they are looking for the backend developer and the experience. So 1 to 3 years of experience is required to apply for this particular role, and the qualification needed for this is like B or BTech graduates in either computer science or related fields. And the work location is that you can there is a flexibility to work from home or you can also work from the office. It's up to you. And basically they are looking for the remote, if you wish you can apply for this particular role. So coming to the skill sets which are required to apply for that. So as they are looking for the backend developer, so you need to have knowledge, like you need to be proficient in Java programming as well as a knowledge of J2EE, and also you need to have knowledge on AWS and experience on some scripting language for automated build or for deployments. So these are the skills which are required to apply for this particular role. So coming to the application link for this, so as mentioned it's for the it's a full-time job role and they're looking for remote. And so coming to the application link, so this is the simple application link for this. So you can apply with LinkedIn. If you have the account with the LinkedIn, you can directly apply with LinkedIn, so all your details will be all the details will be filled automatically. And or else you can attach, like you can update your you can upload your updated resume with all the skills they have mentioned. So the mandatory skills you can add the Java skills as well as the AWS related skills, and you can just submit the application form. So first thing is that you need to enter your full name, email address and the contact details and the current location as well as the current company you are working. And then you have to provide some URL links like the LinkedIn URL, which is the mandatory. And if you wish to add other URLs, the GitHub URL or any other URLs, you can add those. And here there are some questions related to Java and JavaScript, which programming language do you work with? You can mention Java. If you know Python also, you can add Python. And how much experience do you have in Java? 0 to 1 year, to 1 to 2, as well as 2+ years of experience. And which key framework you have used. So if you have worked on any of the backend frameworks, you can add that. You can add Spring Boot microservices, like if you have the knowledge on Angular or React also, you can add that. And how much experience do you have in JavaScript? So if you know JavaScript, you can give the rating. And then have you worked at a product company, like whether you have worked in the product based company or the service based? Like if yes, you can add the years of experience there, and the name of your current company, your current location and the current CTC, and what is your expected CTC. And here you have the notice period, 15 days immediate joiners, 30, 45, 60 as well as 90 days. Up to 90 days they are eligible to apply. And how soon are you able to join if selected? So you can select this and you can mention same thing here. And any other additional information, so if you wish to share you can add those and you can just submit the application form. So this was all about the first company, that is Netomi. And then coming to the selection process for the Netomi, so the first step it's a resume screening. Like once you submit your application link, so based on your skill sets, like basically they're looking for Java expertise with 1 to 3 years of experience. So if you have that skill in your resume, they'll shortlist you, and the first round will be the telephonic screening. So it will be a technical phone screening round in which they are going to, like in a call they are going to discuss about the Java foundation knowledge, the Spring framework concepts and the REST API understanding, like how much years of hands-on experience you have, that they are going to discuss about that. So if they are okay with that, then they are going to send you the link for the first round, so which will be the virtual, and it will be the coding round. So it will be basically like it's basically focused on the data structures and algorithms as well as small system design problems. and then you can code it in Java programming, or if you're comfortable with Python you can code in Python also. So it's up to you. So this will be the first round, which will be the coding round. Then if you are qualified, then you'll be invited for the second round, which will be the technical round. So it will be virtual round, so in which there will be in-depth discussion about the Java programming, OOPS concepts, then the DevOps, AWS related skills, your projects and your problem solving abilities. And then last round will be the hiring manager round, in which they are going to ask some behavioral related questions, like whether you are fit for this company or not. So these are the complete rounds which are included in the selection process for the Netomi. And then coming to the second company, it is Heizen, and they are looking for software development engineer intern for either web full stack or app developer. And the duration for this, it is 6 months. So the stipend during the internship, it will be 25,000. And post completion of your internship for 6 months, you will be converted as a full time. So based on your performance, you will be getting 12 LPA. And other benefits as well as the work location for this, they have two location. You can either work from Hyderabad, or you can also work from home. So they have two options, Hyderabad or remote. So this is the application link for the Hygiene. So this particular company Hygiene, it is backed by the Titan Capital. So as mentioned, they are looking for the SDE intern, and experience or the skill sets required for that is that you need to have knowledge on the Next.js, Nest.js, Agentic AI, React Native or the Flutter development. And the interview process for this, there will be three technical rounds followed by one cultural fit round or the manager round. So the hiring process, everything they have mentioned. So initial screening is that same. They are going to give a telephonic round in which they are going to call you and discuss about your background and your skill sets, everything. And then there will be technical interview, which includes the a practical coding session, the real problem, and then you can use AI tools or anything, and you have to make sure that it works. Like you need to make sure that it gives the correct output as per whatever as per whatever they have mentioned. So you need to get the desired results for this. And then this is the application link for that. Like you just need to fill your your name, email ID, your contact details, your college. Then you can click next, and then you can just there will be experience details and all. Like as your intern, so you can just mention the university name, and then there will be percentage and all you have to choose. So you can fill all the required details and you can submit the application form. So as this Hygiene, it's a Google document form, so it might expire soon. So you can just go to this and apply soon. So the link for both of these two companies, so it will be provided in the description. So you can apply for these roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.